So guys, I decided to relocate. Wait, we gotta do the intro. What's up guys, welcome to Revline 89. We are in the back of the Mustang. Yes, we're sitting in the back of the Mustang. We are just messing around with different stuff. So if this is your first time watching, we had these two lights down here, but if you're familiar with the S197, when you have the seat back, it basically gives you about that much room between the seat and, you know, the front and the back seat. So the lights, you can see them a little bit at night, but up here this is going to be a whole lot better. So when it's dark, it's going to show over our Q-bomb. If you guys are interested in this beast of a subwoofer box, check out the link in my video description. You can find all my mods there. So man, hear kids screaming. So it's not as pretty as when I first got it, even though it is new. I put silicone around the speakers to seal all the gaps, because my biggest issue is I've always blown the seals. So we put silicone around there, and I wasn't too worried about making it super pretty, because we are going to cover it. I love this fabric. It's a flaming horse. It is so cool. So let me put this on and show you guys what it looks like. I love putting it back here. I think I'm going to put it from the very back and pull it forward. We'll see if it's long enough, so stay tuned. So this is how it looks. I might reverse it so you can see, you know, the head up here. And, you know, I don't know. I had it on before I put this subsystem in. So what do you guys think? You guys like the fire horse over top of the subwoofers, or do you think the subwoofers look nicer uncovered? So let me know, leave a comment. Now we are going to vacuum under here. We got our old USB powered vac. That is dead. Oh, that stinks. Well, folks, that's what happens when you don't charge it. Alright, so we got it charging while we're messing around with other stuff. See what else we want to do back here. But I think it looks good. I'll show you guys. So, yeah, I think the subs almost look better. Showing the subs, what do you guys think? You think it looks better closed, or do you think it looks better seeing the two subwoofers? Alright guys, so we're running this LED light inside our sub box. So I think I'm gonna run the wire through, let's see, can you guys see right through here? I think we're going to drill a hole and run it right through there. So let's go ahead and do that and see how it turns out. I think we got enough wire that it's going to be long enough and we won't run into any issues. So stay tuned, guys. So the easiest way to do this was to take off this little panel right here. Now we're going to connect the LED. You know, we ran the wire through it. So now we're going to connect the LED and then push it through. So let's turn it on. This is going to give us light to see where we're at inside here. And it's going to be much bigger. So hopefully we can feed it through. Alright, so we got it hooked up. Got the LED up top there, but when you're looking in, you know, from any angle you cannot see it. Of course, it's still daylight out, so yeah. We need to put this somewhere better though. Where can we mount this so it's not as dumb looking? I guess we can mount it like here if it stays. Probably won't stay. We should set something up like a box or something, or do something cool with that. But so that's what we're looking at right now. You know, we can control, oh, let's see, to control the light in here with this remote. There's also, I don't know where I put it, but there's also another remote somewhere. Here it is. So this, I guess you can do a lot more stuff with it. So we can set it to our music. Hold on, guys. So we can set this to our music. So let's go ahead and test this out. Alright, so good, it works. So we're going to flash it. I guess that makes it flash faster. Blue, I mean all these colors. And you also can download, so we have it set for music. How's that? Oh, cool. That is cool. We're just gonna stick it with red. Oh man, it's gonna really look cool at night. I can't wait. In car shows, so it's lit up there, the front and so the passenger and driver side, the two rear sides. We have underglow light for the hood and under the bumper, under the two side skirts, left and right, and in the back. So that is the kits that we're working with right now. Turning everything off.